In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your chart/candles on TradingView. By the end, you'll be able to switch between different chart types and confidently customize candle colors and appearance in TradingView. First, let's change the chart type. Move to the top left of the chart area and locate the current chart type icon. By default, this usually shows candlesticks. Click this icon to open the drop-down menu. Now select the type you want. You can choose from bar, candlesticks, hollow candles, line, area, Heikin-Ashi, and more. As you click a type, the chart updates immediately so you can see the difference on screen. If you want a simple price outline, pick line. For open, high, low close without filled bodies, choose bar. If you want smoothed candles that average price movement, select Heikin-Ashi. Then hollow candles are also available here and are popular for showing momentum. Choose hollow candles if you prefer seeing candles that turn hollow when price closes above the open and filled when it closes below. Once you've selected the type you want, the chart view is set. Next, customize the candle colors and appearance. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Settings. If you prefer, you can also double-click on any candle to open the same settings panel. In the Settings window, go to the Symbol tab. This is where you adjust how your candles look. Now adjust the colors. Start with the body. Set the fill color for bullish, also called up candles, and for bearish or down candles. Choose colors that make it easy to read direction at a glance. As you click colors, watch the chart update behind the settings window so you can confirm the look in real time. Then adjust the borders. This controls the outline color around each candle. Matching the border to the body can create a clean look, while contrasting borders can make each candle stand out more. Pick the border colors for both up and down candles. Next, change the wicks. Wicks are the thin lines showing the high and low for each bar. Set the wick colors for up and down candles so highs and lows are easy to see against your background. If you prefer a uniform look, use one wick color for both directions. If you want more contrast, assign different colors for up and down wicks. Pro tip: for better visibility on dark themes, use brighter colors. For light themes, use darker tones. This helps reduce eye strain and keeps the chart readable during quick analysis. From here, quickly scan your chart to make sure the bodies, borders, and wicks are clear and consistent. If anything is hard to see, return to the Symbol tab and fine-tune the color choices. You can make small adjustments until the candles are easy to read at your normal zoom level. At this point, you've changed the chart type and customized the candle appearance exactly where it matters most: the body, the borders, and the wicks. The changes you made in the Symbol tab apply immediately to your current chart, so you can continue analyzing price action without interruption. To recap on screen, the chart type drop-down at the top left lets you switch between bar, candlesticks, hollow candles, line, area, Heikin-Ashi, and others. Hollow candles, which are useful for seeing momentum, are in that same drop-down. For appearance, right-click the chart and open Settings, then use the Symbol tab to set the body, borders, and wicks colors for both up and down candles. Use brighter colors on dark themes and darker colors on light themes for best visibility. Your TradingView chart type is now updated and your candle colors and appearance are customized and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.